Have you solved the homeworks? Is there any doubt in homework given? बर कुणाला कुठे काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर विचारा सॉल्व करताना. ज्यांनी मला व्हॉट्सअप वर विचारला होता ते विचारू शकतात. वी कॅन ट्राय.
मॅम फर्स्ट नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल सोडून
कुठलं आहे? जस्ट अ मिनिट. त्यात कुठे प्रॉब्लेम आहे? YC YP बोला प्रॉब्लेम कुठे आहे? क्वेश्चन रीड करा. कुठला क्वेश्चन आहे?
d⁴ plus d cube plus d square y is equal to x square plus cos x.
Okay, x square plus cos x. To solve, we have to consider auxiliary equation that is equal to 0. Then what? If there is something common terms of d, we have to take out. Which term we'll take out now?
d square.
D square. Take it out. Remained is d square plus d plus 1 is 0. What is d square? But d square is d into d. Right? So all these three terms are equal to 0. That is d is equal to 0. Again d is equal to 0. And d square plus d plus 1 is 0. I guess you have solved this. Tell me the root, please.
d is equal to minus 0.5
Yes,
plus or minus 0.86i.
Correct. Okay, these are the roots. So I see you have written these two are real and repeated. So c1 plus c2x into e raised to 0x plus this is imaginary e raised to minus 0.5x in bracket c3 cos 0.86x plus c4 sin 0.86x. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now we go to YP. YP is 1 upon into x square plus cos x. Now, if we see the function, there is addition in between. So what we can do first is separate these two, right? Then we can think later for which case it is. But first thing is separation as it is addition. Can we do? Can we separate such?
Yes.
Yes, as there is addition, we can do that. If it is multiplication there, we cannot do. Okay, then this is the case of polynomial, and this is the case of sin cos, second case. So polynomial case, for polynomial, what do we need there? 1 plus 1 minus, right? So for that, what do you take out?
d square.
Correct. Outside. Yes, there is 1 plus remaining as it is d raised to 4 plus d cube upon what we have taken out d square into x square as it is plus what about this case? What does it need in the denominator?
d square.
Correct.
d square.
Correct. D square into d square plus d square into d plus d square into cos x. Sin cos need d square. So first of all, separate if there is addition. A few students are continuing this way and they forget to apply the cos case. They only go with polynomial. Don't do that. There are two different cases. Okay. नेक्स्ट वी कॅन सी आतापर्यंत आपल्याकडे अशी टर्म होती आणि आपण जर कॉन्स्टंट बाहेर काढले तर कॉन्स्टंटनी भाग जात नव्हता, पण ह्या टर्मलाही डी स्क्वेअरनी जातोय आणि ह्या टर्मलाही जातोय. जात असेल तर भाग जाऊ द्या. जाईल ना भाग? यानी दोघांना जाईल. येस. उलटा असेल तर होत नाही. हे वरती आणि हे खाली असेल तर होत नाही, दोघांना जात नाही. पण डिनॉमिनेटर एक असेल आणि न्यूमरेटर डिफरंट असतील तर हे सगळ्याला भाग जात. राईट. म्हणजे टर्म काय होईल? 1 upon d square आहे तिथे 1 plus d square plus d. Correct. So yp is equal to 1 upon d square into 1 plus d square plus d. d square ने भाग दिला into x square plus this is continuing d square d square d square d plus d square into cos x, isn't it? D square d cos x. Yes, correct. Is it clear up to this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now it is 1 plus this something. It goes up. 1 by d square as it is there. 1 plus this in the numerator with inverse on x square. And here, इथे काय होणार?
Replace d square by minus 1.
Minus
Correct. Find out a is 1, square it 1, negative sign and replace our d square. So minus 1, plus minus 1d plus minus 1. All d square are minus. Okay, this is 1 by d square as it is. 1 plus x inverse formula वापरला जाईल. Correct? What is that formula? 1 plus x inverse? 1
1 minus x
minus x
minus x plus
plus
x square.
x square. Square पर्यंत लिहायचे?
Yes.
Yes. Minus so on onto x square. That I'm writing x now. D square plus d is our x in this case. Okay. What is this term? Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Minus d.
Minus d.
Yes, cos x. Okay, now this continues. 1 by d square. 1 minus, open, try to open. D square minus d. Both are negative. This, open it. What is the square?
d raised to 4
d raised to 4
Plus
2d cube 2d raised to
plus 2 cube
2d cube plus d square.
d square.
Minus so on x square. Here plus minus absorb and 1 by d as it is. Yes, cos x. Minus it is. Now it is 1 by d square. On x square, इथे काय cancel होईल?
d raised to 4 आणि
d
2d
raised to 4 and
d cube. Correct?
d square.
हा d square पण जातोय.
D square
मायनस d
cancel.
स्क्वेअर आहे प्लस d स्क्वेअर. हे मी कॅन्सल नाही केलेलं बरं का, पण हे मी डायरेक्टली कट केलाय पण हा जातोय. ठीक आहे, प्लस मायनस मध्ये. पण राहिलं काय? 1 minus d only on x square. And this is what? 1 upon d
integration
Integration.
What is integration of cos?
sin x
Minus sin.
Sign. Minus sign is the derivative. Plus sign is integration. Right? So minus sign as it is, integration cos is sign. Now this 1 by d square as it is, 1 into x square minus d into x square minus sin x. But what is d in the numerator means?
integration
D in the numerator.
derivative
Derivative. So derivative of x square?
2x
2x minus sin x. This is different function. We have solved and it is completed. But if you can see first, there is 8, we can see d square in the denominator. And what is it means? 1 upon d square?
double integration
Double
Correct.
integration.
Double integration, right? So we have to take double integration of this term. So we go ahead now. Therefore, yp is equal to, I'm taking the step again, x square minus 2x. And what is it here? Sin x, no? Yes. So next, we want double integration. So we take first integration and we let other there as it is 1 by d. We apply 1 by d means 1 integration. So what is the integration of this term? 2 d आहेत ना, त्यातला एक अप्लाय करते म्हणजे एक इंटिग्रेशन घेते. बोला, x square's integration.
x cube
Yes, x cube upon 3. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Minus 2 as it is, integration x is
x square by 2
x square by 2. Correct. Minus sin x as it is. This 2 to get cancelled. And then one more integration. So what is next integration of this term? X raised to 4 by 4 into 3.
12
12.
12
Right. Minus integration of x square.
x cube by 3
x cube by
Cube by
3.
3. Minus that sin x as it is. Done. This is your yp. And therefore y is, write down yc plus yp. Your answers आलेले is the general solution. Understood now? Any other doubt in any of the
Yes, ma'am.
question? Yes, please
ma'am.
go ahead.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have any doubt, ask me now.
No doubt.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, backslide.
Yes.
ह्याच्या पण आधी.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Next.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Chalo, we'll solve one more next question. Solve d cube plus 27y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. How is the function?
Polynomial.
Polynomial. Go ahead, solve this. And we'll solve one more. I'm writing here. D cube minus dy is equal to 2e raised to x plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 cos x. Okay, these two are we are going to solve. Go with first. Consider auxiliary equation. 3 cube plus 27 is 0. Tell me the roots. D is equal to,
-3,
okay, minus 3.
1.5 plus
Okay.
or minus
Huh?
2.9. I.
Just check once. Huh? I guess correct. Is it correct?
2.5.
2.5. Is it 2.5 or 1.5?
Yes, ma'am. 2.5.
It is 2.5.
No, ma'am. Item.
Here it is 2.5.
Yeah.
Just check once, Vita.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
2.5.
2.5
Everyone is
ma'am.
getting this 1.5 plus minus 2.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So nature, this one is real. How will you write this in YC? Solution.
C1 e raised to
C1 e
minus.
raised to minus 3x.
Correct. Plus, what about this?
E raised to 1.5x.
1.5
In bracket,
C2 cos of 2.5x
plus
Plus C3.
sine of
C3
2.5.
sine 2.5x. Very good. Nice. Okay. So YC is done. We go to YP. YP is 1 upon d cube plus 27 into x square plus 2x plus 1. The whole is a polynomial. So what we do here is, what you will take out?
27.
27.
27.
Correct. So here it is 1 remaining as it is upon 27 into x square plus 2x plus 1. Next step, it goes up with inverse. So therefore, yp is equal to 1 by 27 into 1 plus d cube by 27 inverse on. Kai, question time? x square plus 2x plus 1. Correct आहे का बघा? Okay, so 1 plus x inverse formula we are going to use. Now, what is that formula? 1
minus
plus minus, yes,
minus x plus x square.
x plus, this is your x now, so x square, up to square is okay?
yes ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
As polynomial is having power 2, so plus so on, then x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, we try to open this now. 1 minus d cube by 27 plus, how much is it? D raised to, these two are multiplying to each other. 6 upon 27 square. If you know, just write or forget. But now this is a polynomial of power 2, degree 2. So what will cancel here?
D raised to 6 by 27 square and d cube by 27.
Both will cancel, right? Up to d square will survive, d cube d raised to 6 cancelled. So it is just 1 there. So 1 into this. So it is x square plus 2x plus 1. Done. This is your y. Therefore, y is right, yc here plus yp. Right there, okay, is the general solution. Don't write like me. Write your answers. Any doubt? Please ask. Done? Should we go to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, question is with you. Start solving. Solve. I'll write it again. Solve. D cube minus d y is equal to 2 e raised to x plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 cos x. Can you just identify the function? Which cases are there? बोला कुठल्या कुठल्या केसेस आहेत? फंक्शन बघितला on right hand side. Now tell me the cases.
E raised to x.
Yes, this is case 1.
Polynomial.
Case 1, correct? Then
Polynomial.
Polynomial.
which polynomial? किती काय काय कन्सिडर करता येतात?
2x plus 1.
चालते ना, प्लस 1 पण चालेल. This is a polynomial case and this one is a
Sin or
cos
cos
case.
x.
Yes, this is case 2, this is case 4, this is case 1. Right. So go and solve. Consider auxiliary equation. D cube minus d is 0. D is common. D square minus 1 is 0. So I guess d is 0 and d is plus 1 minus 1. Check, huh? D is 0, d square is 1. So taking square root of 1, we get plus minus 1. Correct, hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So therefore, yc is c1 e raised to 0x plus c2 e raised to 1x plus c3 e raised to minus 1x is your yc. 1 upon yp is okay. The cases accordingly are cases. How we can solve? We will separate it as there is plus minus, right? So according to us, we will separate now. this into first function 2 e raised to x plus into what we can write next into
2x
2x
plus 1.
plus 1.
2x
Yes,
plus 1.
yes, correct. Polynomial. And next is 1 upon d cube minus d into last function 4 cos x. Now you can see this 2 and this 4, they are constant. Constants will come out. So you can do this in this step itself. Like 2 is constant, come out. Here 4 is constant, will come out. Okay. Now this is purely case 1. And what do we do here?
Plus d by a.
Correct. D by, what is a here?
1.
1. Very good. This is a polynomial. So what we can do here?
Common D.
Common बाहेर काढायचा आहे. काय काढणार आहेत?
D.
D or? Is it D or anything else?
Minus d.
Correct. With its sign. So minus D. Perfect. And for this cos, you should write it in D square first. Yes, do that. So 2, let me take this step. 2 into 1 upon d cube minus d e raised to x plus 1 upon d cube minus d 2x plus 1 minus 4 1 upon d cube minus d into cos x. Okay, this is the step, last step. So we'll do now replacement. 1 upon 1 minus 1 e raised to x. What is that? 1 minus 1. Can I write 0 directly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. D la 1 ठेवला, 1 minus 1, 0. Plus, here what we'll take out? Minus d. So minus d is out. There is 1 plus d cube as it is upon minus d on 2x plus 1. Minus 4 as it is, and for this cos we need d square. So d square into d minus d. आता तुम्हाला कळतंय की प्रत्येक केसला आपल्याला वेगळा विचार करावा लागेल. बरोबर? कॉस दिसला तर डी स्क्वेअर आणावा लागेल. पॉलिनॉमियल दिसत असेल तर वेगळा विचार आहे. ई दिसला तर वेगळा विचार आहे. बट दिस इज द केस ऑफ फेल्युअर. म्हणजे काय करायचं? मागे जायचं जिथे सबस्टिट्यूशन केलं आणि काय करायचं? 2 ॲज इट इज. या स्टेपला काय करणार?
X ने multiply.
And
Take the derivative of D.
yes, what is the derivative? 3d square, correct, minus 1 on e raised to x. Okay, now we are here. As it was failure, we went back. Now we are again here, plus minus minus 1 upon d. Okay, let me just write it here only. Plus minus just absorb 1. Here again plus minus minus 1 d get cancelled. What is here?
D square.
D square, correct, on 2x plus 1. Then minus 4. Here d square will be replaced by
Minus 1.
everyone is getting. Find out a is 1, square it to 1 and negative sign and replace over d square. So it is minus 1d minus d as it is cos x. Any doubt? Waiting, please ask.
No, ma'am.
No, no doubts. Very good. Okay, so this is again E's case. E's case is it? It is. So we have to again replace d by 1 here. Right. So x upon 3 into 1 square, 1 minus 1 into e raised to x minus 1 upon d. What about this?
1 minus D square inverse.
Correct. It goes up with inverse on 2x plus 1 minus 4, and how much it is? Minus 2d cos x. Okay, so I think this is done. 2 x upon 3 minus 1 to e raised to x, 2 cancelled. So this answer is x e raised to x. This is over. Minus 1 upon d. 1 minus x inverse. We have to expand. How?
1 plus x plus
1
x.
plus x plus its square. Do we need to write that square term?
No, ma'am.
As it is power 1. So up to power 1 is enough. Next is so on to x plus 1. And what is our x? D square. Are you clear?
1 minus d square.
Sorry. 1 minus d square inverse. 1 minus x inverse. It is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus all plus. For this, we are expanding, means it is 1 plus x square plus. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. That's why there is plus. जर इथे प्लस असता आणि मायनस असता तिथे मायनस आला असता. Alternate plus minus. Okay, then minus plus 4 by 2, 2 by d cos x. Okay, that is, it is x e raised to x minus, okay, before that, this is 2x plus 1, degree is 1, polynomial's degree is 1. What will cancel?
D square.
Yes, d square cancelled. So only remained is 1 into, so it is minus 1 by d, 1 into this, that is 2x plus 1 plus 2 by d. What is by d? 1 upon d.
Integration.
Yes. So 2 I am writing an integration of cos x
Sin x.
sin x. 2 sin x. You can write here 1 by d is nothing but integration. One more, there is 1 by d. We have to write that also, the integration. Okay, I'll write it here only. So it is therefore equal to x e raised to x minus integration of this term. What is the integration?
2x square by 2
2x
plus
square
X
by
square
2
minus x.
plus, okay, I have written the bracket here, right? So bracket, so I'm writing plus as it is, plus integration
X.
1 is x plus 2 sine x as it is, 2 cancel. Now you can open the bracket. So your answer is x e raised to x minus x square minus x plus 2 sine x. Therefore, yp is, write it please, x e raised to x minus x square minus x plus sine x. Correct? No? Plus is an item?
Yes.
Check. Okay, therefore y is equal to 2 sine x is 2 sine x. Okay, therefore y is, write your yc, write your yp, and then this is the general solution. Are you clear now? If it is combination of cases, just separate like that. Should I go to next case or you want any more questions on these cases 1 to 4?
Last slide open करा ma'am please.
You want some more questions? Can we take anyone more? Or should I go to next case?
Next case.
Next case, is it clear? Polynomial is clear to everyone, okay? कुणाला काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारायचं. थांबलीये मी.
Done now.
Done? Okay. Write down next case. We will see the next case, case number 5. Give homework on it. Okay, okay. Write down homework before and then we'll go to the next case. Correct. Write down homework. Solve. D square plus 4y is equal to sin x plus e raised to x plus x square. Second, solve d square minus 4d plus 4y is equal to x cube plus e raised to 2x plus cos 2x. x क्यूबचं एक घ्यायचंय. बरं हा हे आपण घेऊयात. क्यूबचं एक राहिलं घ्यायचं. नेक्स्ट सॉल्व d square plus 2d plus 2y is equal to x square plus 1. Last, solve d square plus d minus 2y is equal to x plus e raised to minus 2x. ओके, एक एक्स क्यूबचं घेऊयात फक्त. हे राहू द्यात, हे तुम्हीच कराल. Just a simple मी एक घेते so that you will get the idea about x cube. How do we solve? Solve d square plus 3y is equal to x cube आन्सर माझ्याकडे नाही आहेत बाळा. आन्सर तुम्ही शोधा. चुकलं तर मला पाठवा ग्रुपवर. मी बघतीये. ग्रुपवर नाही, सॉरी, व्हॉट्सअपवर. I'll check. चलो रूट्स फाइंड करा. d is equal to, tell me d please. बोला, आला का d?
Plus minus 1.73 I.
Okay, plus minus 1.73 I. Tell me yc. E raised to, what is
0.
alpha? 0. E raised to 0x in bracket secant cos, let's see, to sin 1.73x. Correct. Yc is done. We go to yp now. 1 upon d square plus 3 into this x cube plus 2. Polynomial, isn't it? Yes, it is a polynomial. So what we can do next is, बोला, डिनॉमिनेटर मधनं काय करणार?
3 common out.
3
Plus
कॉमन
3y.
काढणार बाहेर. येस, मग काय राहील तिथे?
1 plus d square.
करेक्ट. 3 बाहेर गेला, इथे 1 होईल प्लस d square as
D
it
square
is.
by 3.
Yes, d square by 3 into x cube plus 2. नेक्स्ट स्टेप हा वरती जाईल. करा ते 1 मिनिट. वरती न्या, इनवर्स लिहा. 1 plus 1 minus जे आलंय त्याला. Okay, So there is 1 by 3 as it is. It goes up 1 plus d square by 3 inverse on x cube plus 2. Now it will expand as bola 1 plus x inverse. Formula क्या है?
1 minus x
Yes.
x square
Plus x square
minus x cube.
minus x cube. Cube पर्यंत ल्यावं लागेल. Whatever
Yes,
it is, you will write up to cube as there is a degree 3 and then plus so on x cube plus 2. So in our case, it is d square by 3, d square by 3, d square by 3. Okay, so it is equal to 1 by 3, 1 minus d square by 3, plus it is d raised to 4 by 3 square, minus d raised to 6 by 3 cube, plus so on x cube by 2. यातलं काय डिलीट होईल?
D raised to 4 by
4
3
जाईल आणि 6
raised
पण
to
जाईल. राईट, राहील फक्त ह्या दोन. सो इट इज 1 by 3 into 1 minus काय होतं d square by 3 on x cube plus 2. Done. The next is just multiply inside 1 into this. So x cube plus 2 minus d square by 3 into this x cube plus 2. So it is 1 by 3 x cube plus 2 minus 1 by 3 double derivative of this term. What is the first derivative?
3x square
3x square. And what will be the second derivative?
6x
6x. So we are writing double derivative of this, that is 6x. इथे पण भाग जाईल 2. So it is 1 by 3 x square plus x cube plus 2 minus 2x. Done. This is your yp. Write your yc, write your yp, and that will be the general solution. Clear? If it is cube, write up to cube. That term is up to cube power 3.
Backslide, ma'am.
पण तुम्ही चेक केलं का त्या स्टडी मटेरियल शीट मध्ये दिसतायत का आता नोट्स दिसतायत?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Done बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we go to the case number. What is the case number now?
5
5. Yes, correct. Case of what but? Cases
Short.
of what? Yes, shortcut methods. But shortcut methods for what?
to find
Yes, to find yp. yp च्या shortcut method मधली case number 5. If f of x is first was e raised to x, second is sine cos, right? Third was sine hyperbolic cos hyperbolic. Next was polynomial, and then the next is if the function is e raised to ax into b, where v is any function of x. It can be anything. It can be sine, it can be e, it can be hyperbolic, it can be polynomial, or it can be anything else. Okay, so v is any function. But if that is with e raised to ax, we have one case e raised to ax, पण तिथे काय होता फक्त e raised to ax च होता. याला मल्टिप्लाय काय झालं होतं का तिकडे? नाही. आता कसं असणार आहे? e इज देअर, पण त्याच्यासोबत मल्टिप्लाय आणखी एक फंक्शन असणार आहे. ओके, नाउ द केस इज yp. How do we define yp? 1 upon
Phi
pi d into f of x. But f of x is e raised to ax into v. Correct? We have written yp. Okay, now the cases. Pay attention. If it is this e raised to x into v, here e will come out of the whole thing. At the same time, d will be d plus e's power, that is a. These two happen simultaneously. E will come out, e's role will be over from this, and at the same time that a will get added to d, that is becomes d plus a everywhere, and it will operate on v only. E's job done. Getting? So this v can be any of the shortcut cases we have seen now, like polynomial or e, or it is anything sine cos. So we can solve this next. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But we just don't take out e raised to ax. We do two things together, like e is out and its power is added to d also. Two things we have to remember. Don't just remember e is out, okay? As e is out, d is getting replaced by d plus a. This is the case. आणि पुढचं तुम्हाला माहिती, हे 0 नको अप्लाय केल्यानंतर आणि 0 झालं तर आता ते लिहायची गरज नाही, ते तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सगळं. Solve. D square minus 2d plus 1y is equal to x square e raised to 3x. See the function on right hand side. आता हे कुठल्या केस मधलं दिसतंय हे ओळखायचंय. मध्ये जर प्लस असला असता किंवा मायनस असला असता तर ह्या दोन डिफरंट केसेस झाल्या असत्या. ही कुठली झाली असती? इथे सपोज डोंट राईट एनिथिंग. इथे जर प्लस असता तर ही कुठली?
X raised to m.
पॉलिनॉमियल. करेक्ट. ही कुठली?
E raised to
First.
a.
करेक्ट. दोन सेपरेट झाल्या असत्या प्लस मायनस असतात तर. पण आता जर मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे, हे दोघं मल्टिप्लाय आहे, तर ही केस कुठली होईल?
Case number 5.
येस. e raised to ax into v आहे तिथे. v can be anything. So this is the case 5. आता तुम्हाला सर्वांना ओळखता येते का बघा केस कुठली आहे? येईल ओळखायला. मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये ई दुसरा कुणाचा असेल तर तो केस 5. सिंपल ई असेल तर केस 1. सिंपल एक्स स्क्वेअर असेल तर केस 4. Okay, so consider auxiliary equation. Find out roots. Tell me please. 1.
1
1 and
1
1. Okay, 1 and 1. Correct. As power is 2, Cas is showing you 1 only, so it is repeating 2 times. Therefore, YC is
C1 plus C2x e raised to x.
into e raised to 1x. Correct. Now YP 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 into x square e raised to 3x. Okay, can we do this? This into this, into this, into this. Can we do that? पुन्हा एकदा हे into हे, into हे, into हे असं करू शकतो का?
No.
नाही.
No, ma'am.
You can do this only in case of
plus
correct. We cannot do. So first thing is, what is this type? See the function. So this is case number 5. Right. So what is the case 5 says? Just let me take it over. Yp is 1 upon into e raised to 3x into x square. असं लिहिते मी e आधी घेते. So this is case 5. E raised to ax into b. And what the case 5 says? What is this case says?
Common e raised to 3x.
E
Add 3 to 5d.
3 to every d in the denominator, right? Like d is now d plus a everywhere. Just d will be d plus a and e will be out. That will be operated on v only. Right. So here e raised to 3x out and d is what?
d square plus 3.
No, not d square plus 3.
D plus 3 square.
हा
D plus 3
d
bracket
प्लस
square.
3 स्क्वेअर d ला d प्लस करायचा आहे आणि बाकी त्याचे जे काही ऍट्रिब्यूट्स आहेत ते ऍज इट इज -2 इंटू d प्लस 3 आधी d
plus
प्लस करा आणि नंतर स्क्वेअर क्यूब करा. ठीक आहे +1 आणि हे कशावर ऑपरेट होईल आता?
x square.
x स्क्वेअर वर. करेक्ट. ई तर गेला बाहेर. बाहेर जाताना फक्त काम काय करून गेलाय? त्या d ला चेंज करून गेलाय. d चा d प्लस 3 करून गेलाय. ठीक आहे. सो रिमेंबर बाहेर जाताना ऍड होऊन जाईल. आता याचं काम संपलंय. e raised to 3x हा फक्त कंटिन्यू करा आणि हे सॉल्व करत चला. आता ही पॉलिनॉमियल केस आहे. आठवली आहे सर्वांना? कळतीये का? इज इट पॉलिनॉमियल केस?
Yes, sir.
येस. याला
Yes.
ओपन करा. d स्क्वेअर प्लस
60.
60 प्लस 9 minus 2d
Minus
minus 6 plus 1 on x square. Simplify. 1 upon किती झाले हे बघा. d स्क्वेअर एकदा से 6d minus 2d plus 4d plus 9 minus 6 3 plus 1 4 on x square. Yes, now this is case number 4. What is that polynomial case?
common out
4. Correct. So there is 1 plus remaining as it is d square plus 4d upon what?
4.
4. Correct. On x square. Next step, you will take it up with inverse. That upon 4 will go with this e raised to 3x by 4. Take it up 1 plus d square plus 4d by 4 inverse on x square. If you want, you can write this term as d square by 4 plus 4 by 4 cancel d. It's your choice. इथे जर दोघांना 4 असता तर मी काढूनच टाकला असता, पण एकाला नाहीये, सो राहू द्या टर्म चालते. पुढे बघू. Now we can use the formula. Which formula?
1 plus x.
1 plus x in. What is that? 1 minus x
square.
plus x square minus x cube plus so on. आपल्याला लिहायचा कुठपर्यंत आहे? स्क्वेअर पर्यंत. Right. So it is yp is e raised to 3x by 4 into सांगा बरं. 1 minus एक प्लस है
Minus
हाँ 1 minus
d
square plus 4d by 4. Correct ना?
Yes.
Plus d square plus 4d by 4 square minus so on. पुढचं सोडून द्या. On x square. करेक्ट लिहिलं का बघा, नाही तर सगळं चुकेल.
Yes.
Correct आहे. Okay, good. So it is e raised to 3x by 4. Open it. 1 minus d square by 4 minus plus minus 4 by 4 cancel d plus you have to take the square 16 square is numerator square is
d raised to 4.
yes plus
8 d cube.
correct plus
16 d square.
करेक्ट. मायनस सो ऑन एक्स स्क्वेअर. कॅन्सल काय करू? d cube आणि d raised to 4. Correct. So it is e raised to 3x by 4. 1 minus d square by 4 plus 16 by 16, 1 d square. आणि पुढचं so on काढून टाकूयात. So it is e raised to 3x by 4. 1 minus d, how much is d square?
3d square by 4.
Yes, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Yes. So 3d square by 4. Now open it. 1 into this minus d into this plus this into this. That is x square minus derivative of x square,
2x.
2x. Correct. Plus 3 by 4. Next, double derivative of x square,
2.
2.
Mm.
With a 2. So you can now write as it is. Okay, no need to do anything. E raised to 3x by 4, x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2. Done. This is your yp. डाउट आहे? विचारा. एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
पुढच्या ज्या केसेस येणार आहेत, आपला केस 5 अप्लाय केल्यानंतर, ही केस अप्लाय केल्यानंतर आता फक्त आपल्याला केस 5 म्हणजे एकच स्टेप. कुठली स्टेप? ई बाहेर काढायचा आणि त्याचा जो पॉवर असेल तो डी ला ऍड करायचा आणि मग जे राहील ते एखादी केस आपण सॉल्व्ह केलेलीच राहते. हे पुढचं तर आपल्याला माहितीच आहे आपण काय करतो. Only one step is case 5. Just E is out if power is added to D. If it is e raised to x into any other function. Okay, any doubt? No doubt, I guess. So now we'll go to the next question. You write here, therefore काय राहिलेलं याचं?
Y.
हा, y राहिलाय. y is yc plus yp. ते लिहा बरं, ऍड करा. is the general solution. Okay, next question. Solve. D cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 y is equal to x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Okay, we'll just solve yc. You will try it at home. Yc up to yc will complete. This is okay. The case. Can you just tell me the case, please? This one is
Fifth.
fifth.
Case 5.
Yes, yes. E raised to x into v. And next is
First.
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 Or what we can do here is e raised to x is common from both. Take it out. E raised to x into x plus 1. So this is now which case?
Fifth.
This whole is fifth case. एकदा सॉल्व्ह होईल, 2 केसेसची गरज नाही पडणार. सो असंही केलं तरी चालेल, एकच आन्सर येईल तुमचं. ही फिफ्थ आणि ही फर्स्ट. और just take out common. This whole is the fifth case. Okay, just D roots.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1. Very good. Correct. So therefore, YC is
7 plus C2x plus C3x x square into
correct.
e raised to x.
E raised to 1x. Okay, I'll leave you up to this. You will try. If not, then we'll continue with this question. Plus 3d minus 1 into x e raised to x plus e raised to x. Okay, I'll give you one more step here. Plus 3d minus 1. E raised to x is common, x plus 1. So this is case number 5. Okay, you will do that case if possible. बरं आणखी एक मला तुम्हाला सांगायचं, तेवढं एक सांगते मी फक्त. इथे डी चे रूट्स, बरं एक मिनिट हा. सो डी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4 इक्वल टू 0 याचे रूट्स येतात +2 आणि -2. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजेच डी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4 ला मी कसं लिहू शकते, हा पहिला जो रूट आहे ना हा मायनस मध्ये जाईल डीच्या, सो डी -2 इंटू दूसरा रूट पण मायनस जाईल, सो डी मायनस ऑफ -2 डी +2. करेक्ट है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So depending on these roots, we can write the given phi d. So your roots are here 1, 1, 1. So d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1. You can write as. कसं लिहू शकतो? 1, 1, 1 are the roots. So for first root, you can write d minus 1. Second root is also 1, so d minus 1 into d minus 1. म्हणजेच काय? d minus 1 cube. These two are same. So here you can use d minus 1 cube also if you want. If you want. Okay. So just माझं असं सांगायचं होतं की रूट्स वरनं तुम्ही फॅक्टर्स लिहिता आणि त्या फॅक्टर्सचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं की गिवन phi d मिळतो. क्लिअर? मला काय म्हणायचं समजलंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
येस येस. रूट्स जर ABC असतील तर गिवन phi d तुम्ही कसा लिहिणार?
D plus A
मायनस निगेटिव्ह करायचं. +2 असेल तर -2, मायनस असेल तर प्लस, +1 असेल तर -1. d minus A into d minus B
into D
into d
minus
minus C. Correct. So this is the way of writing the given phi d. Okay, just try it. This is all from my side. Try this wiping. Put your attendance here and you can leave for your next session. Thank you. Yes, you can leave. You can leave. Put your attendance and you can go. Thank you.